Hello creative people, welcome to my channel Grow with Leah. I'm going to show you how to turn off your account. You need to be logged into YouTube and on your channel homepage like I am right now. Once you're there, you need to choose your avatar in the top right hand corner. This will bring up a menu, and from that menu you need to click on YouTube Studio. This is going to take you to your YouTube Studio homepage, and from there you can select settings. In the left hand menu, it's at the bottom of all the options. Once you click on settings, you'll be brought to another menu and you should choose channel, and from there you should choose advanced settings from the tabs at the top of the page. Scroll down to the section that says subscriber count and uncheck the black box next to display the number of people subscribed to your channel. Then you need to click save in the bottom right hand corner, and you have now switched off your account. You can check this by going to the avatar in the top right hand corner again and choosing your channel. This will take you back to your channel homepage on YouTube, and from here you can see under your name that it no longer shows your subscriber count. I hope you find some success in hiding your account. If you want to check out my last video, I will link it above. There I talk about if you should hide your subscriber count, and I also start my own challenge. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so YouTube notifies you of future videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.